to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how you can do some quick Senegalese crochet braids. Currently I am 37 weeks pregnant and I need something, a protective style, because who's to say that I'm to go into labor today, tomorrow, or whenever, you know what I mean? So I needed something quick where I can be able to put the ponytail. I ain't got time for my husband to be surfing through my wigs to grab my wig. We're going to the hospital. I ain't got time for no satin caps, and I damn sure ain't got time for headscarves. So I wanted to do a protective style, something quick and easy, and I think you guys will enjoy. This is my how to crochet Senegalese twist. Now, I will say in the front, I did do a couple of rows of individuals. I have about 3 rows of individuals, and as you can see, the individual braids, the ends of the braids have like that type of look versus the crochet braids looking like that. But I'm gonna tell you this, once you do everything and everything is done, everything blends in perfectly to me. As you can see, it looks good, okay? It looks good. So I wanted to show you guys how I did my Senegalese twist crochet braids, and I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into it. Okay guys, so for this tutorial I did use 2 types of hairs. The Senegalese twist that I did use, this is a brand I got from the hair store. This is the Retro Twist Senegalese twist loop. It already comes loose, and I really like this hair. Oh, it's kind of heavy. This is how the hair looks. It is kinky long. The color that I do have is 1B, and this hair, guys, was only this hair was only $3.99, guys. You can't beat that. So this is the Retro Twist Senegal Twist 22-inch that I do have. In the front of my head, I did go with the premium. This is the Expression hair. Now this hair was pre-stretched, pre-layered, and ultra braided. They said it was 32-inch, which I do not believe, because as you can see, this hair is pretty short compared to the 22-inch. So I don't know what they were talking about when it came with the 36-inch. Now I will say I do not recommend this hair, because as you can see, like I told you guys, the ends are, it goes thin versus this. It goes thin versus this, but if I believe if I would have had the regular Expression hair and but layered it myself, it would have looked the exact same. Which I said it's fine. The money was fine. You know how hair stores is, you can't return. So it was gonna get put in this head anyway. Okay. So those are the 2 types of hair that I use. Let's get right into the tutorial. The back looks, and I'll turn around so you guys can see a full view, and then we're gonna work on this top. top. This is my leave out, and I say leave out because this is what I'll be doing individual braids. I wanted to do like a lot more. Some people do like 1 row, but I really want to do like 2 or 3 rows where I can get in, where I can fill it in, and then I'll be able to do more. Okay, so let me show you guys. What all you're doing is filling in some gaps that I did see, that I was able to visualize, and I'm going to fill those in now before I get to the front. Pre-layered, and I'm gonna go ahead and do individual Senegalese twists, like I said, so I can have my hair in a way where I want to be able to style it how, I mean, you can style it with the 1 row, but I just want 2, 3 layers, okay? 2, 3 layers of individuals. So let's get started. Guys, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed my how-to, this is a quick protective style that you guys can do. Like I said, I'm using this hairstyle for my birth. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and press the subscription button. There is also a notification button you guys can press. If you guys have any questions or anything about my hair, something that I may have missed, because I might have missed, go ahead and leave it in the comment box and I'll get right back to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye.